Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another video here on Help Guy. So today we're gonna cover GoDaddy, specifically how you can add a subdomain in GoDaddy. So currently we are in their help center. This is for you to get a better visual on how to do things. So yeah, so adding a subdomain, the first thing you need to do, sign in, of course, to your GoDaddy and go to your domain portfolio and then select individual domain to access the domain settings page. So right here, click on this one and then click on the domain that you want to add a subdomain to. So let's say this one, mycoolnewbusiness.com. Now select DNS to view your DNS record. So if you click on this, this will appear. So just click on DNS record. Now add new record and then select A from the type menu. So you need to enter your new A record subdomain. So this is going to be now your subdomain. So the host name or prefix of the record without the domain name such as blog or shop. The name must follow the following guidelines. Periods are allowed but not as first or last characters. Consecutive periods are not allowed and you cannot begin or end with a hyphen. 63 characters in a row not separated by a period. And then afterwards, select add more records to add multiple DNS records at the same time. Now, if you change your mind, you can, of course, delete a subdomain by simply selecting the trash can icon to delete or remove any records that haven't been saved. Now, select save to add your new record. Now, if you've added multiple records at the same time, select save all records. And that's it. You have now created a subdomain for GoDaddy. If you want more information on this, you can rewatch this video or you can simply go to GoDaddy and go to their help center. That's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this one. If we did, please do not forget to hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button as we will be featuring more videos on tech and on domains as well, only here on Help Guy.